The hidden reason you're always stressed. We live in one of the safest periods in human history. Most people no longer face predators, hunt for food, or fight for survival the way our ancestors once did. Life, at least physically, has become much easier. And yet something strange has happened. People today experience stress more often than ever before. Many feel tension every single day, even when nothing dangerous is happening. Some people worry before a simple conversation. Others feel anxious because of notifications on their phones. Many find it difficult to relax, even when they are at home. So here's the question. If life has become safer, why are we more stressed? To answer that, we need to understand how our brain works and why it still reacts to the modern world as if we were living thousands of years ago. In this video, we'll explore why stress exists, how it helped humans survive, why it has become so common today, and what actually happens inside your body when you experience stress. We'll also look at real-life examples, scientific studies, and comparisons between humans and animals to better understand this powerful reaction. What is stress and why do we have it? Stress is the body's natural response to a situation the brain interprets as a threat or challenge. When your brain detects danger, it activates a special mode designed to help you react quickly. At that moment, several changes happen inside your body. Your heart beats faster, your breathing speeds up, your muscles tighten, and your focus sharpens. Your entire body prepares for action. This mechanism developed thousands of years ago and helped humans survive. Imagine an early human walking through a forest. Suddenly, a predator appears. There is no time to carefully analyze the situation. The brain instantly activates stress, allowing the person to either fight or run away. This reaction is often called the fight or flight response. It exists not only in humans, but in animals as well. When a gazelle spots a lion, it doesn't stop to think. Its body immediately activates stress, and it runs. Interestingly, once the danger is gone, the animal quickly calms down. Within minutes, the gazelle returns to grazing peacefully. Humans, however, are different. Even after the danger passes, people continue thinking about what happened. A person might replay the situation for hours or even days. And this is where the biggest difference between humans and animals begins. Why animals experience less stress? Animals experience stress only when they face real danger. Once the threat disappears, their bodies return to normal. Humans have something animals don't: the ability to imagine the future and analyze the past. This ability is incredibly useful, but it also creates constant stress. Scientists observed zebras in the wild and found that when predators attacked, stress hormones spiked dramatically. However, once the threat passed, their hormone levels quickly returned to normal. Humans don't work this way. A person might worry about a meeting that will happen next week. Even though nothing dangerous is happening, the brain reacts as if the threat is real. When you imagine a stressful situation, your brain activates the same stress response. Your body prepares for danger, even though the danger exists only in your mind. This is why humans can experience stress for much longer than animals. Scientific experiments on stress. Scientists have conducted many experiments to understand stress. In one study, researchers observed laboratory mice placed in new environments. The mice showed clear signs of stress. Over time, researchers noticed that stressed mice became less active and struggled with problem-solving tasks. They took longer to find their way through mazes and showed signs of memory difficulties. This experiment revealed something important. Long-term stress affects brain function. Similar results appear in humans. When people experience prolonged stress, they often find it harder to concentrate, make decisions, and remember information. Another study focused on students during exam periods. Researchers measured stress hormone levels before and after exams. The results showed that stress levels increased significantly before exams and gradually returned to normal afterward. These findings show that even everyday situations can trigger strong stress responses. Why modern life increases stress? Modern life creates many sources of stress. In the past, humans faced danger occasionally. Today, the brain receives constant signals of potential threats. Social media plays a major role. People compare themselves to others, worry about reactions to their posts, and become concerned about how they are perceived. Work and school also contribute to stress. Deadlines, responsibilities, and expectations require constant mental energy. Another factor is information overload. Every day, people consume large amounts of news, much of which focuses on negative events. This increases anxiety and keeps the brain in a constant state of alert. As a result, the brain rarely gets a chance to fully relax. If you're finding this explanation helpful and want more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. It really helps support the channel and allows us to create more content like this. What happens in your body during stress? When you experience stress, your body releases hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones help you react quickly and stay focused. In short bursts, this can be helpful. For example, athletes often perform better under pressure because stress increases alertness. However, when stress lasts too long, it can lead to fatigue, sleep problems, and difficulty concentrating. Research shows that people who experience chronic stress often feel tired and anxious more frequently. Real-life examples of stress. A student might worry about a test for several days, even though the test itself lasts only an hour. Someone preparing for an important conversation may replay the situation in their mind repeatedly. Even waiting for a reply to a message can create tension. These situations aren't dangerous, yet the brain reacts as if they are. If you've ever experienced situations like these, share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to learn how to reduce stress and manage it more effectively, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Stress is a survival mechanism that helped humans live through dangerous environments. However, the modern world has changed. While the human brain remains largely the same, today, stress is often triggered by thoughts, expectations, and uncertainty rather than real danger. Understanding how stress works is the first step toward managing it and feeling more calm and in control. In the next video, we'll explore practical ways to reduce stress and use it to your advantage.